everyone, what's up? Welcome to Mammoth Interactive's Introduction to Coding in Unity and in C Sharp. In this course, we're going to learn how to use the most basic concepts and subjects in coding. So we're going to learn how to use variables, we're going to learn what are methods and what are they for. We're going to work with conditional blocks and also with loops and other things that they appear while we are developing a game. This happens pretty much naturally. And even though what we're going to see is very simple and there's just 1 hour of videos, it's very important that we understand these things just right because we use them all the time. Every line that we write of code, uses these basic concepts. So it's important to understand this very well so you can later develop your games the right way and, well, make them be a hit in the App Store or the Google Play Store, for example. My name is Glauco Pires, and I've been working in the game industry since 2010, and throughout all of these years I've worked with several different game engines and developed dozens of games. So I've worked with Unity, with Unreal Engine, I make HTML5 games in Phaser, for example. I've made games in Construct, also I've made Flash games, so I have a lot of experience, that I collected during all this time, and I want to share this experience with you by, well, pretty much telling you only the most important parts, so we can make this game quick and also make it easy, so we can understand it the easy way. So to start this, you of course need to download Unity. If you don't have that already, you can just go to the Unity webpage, unity3d.com, and download Unity. And, well, pretty much that's it. In the next video, we're going to learn how to work with variables. I hope you're excited to start this, and I'll see you soon.